Hi guys, this is my karnage keyboard which I have recently purchased on Amazon. I was trying to connect it to my tab, S7 Samsung tab. So see, here is the turn on button. I'm trying to turn it on. Sorry, it's already on, right? So now I turn it off and I'll turn it on. After turning it on, it has turned on like this, and it's showing that it's on a 2.4 gigahertz connection. So there says that there is a dim Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2. So I was trying to connect it to the Bluetooth 1, but I unable to connect it and tried to find out on the Amazon guidelines, but I couldn't find any trick to turn it on. See, for example, here it's mentioned like a Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, but how to see if I press directly, it is not showing anything here. No, as a Bluetooth 2, no connection. Even if I try with the Windows like Bluetooth 1, it isn't showing at all. If anyone knows this well, how to connect it, please help me out through any of your link, any of your guidance videos. Please try to reach out me. Thank you.